Wash painting. Hey kids, let's play with color and water to make beautiful paintings. Let's learn the art of wash painting. Apply water on the sheet with the help of brush. Apply light watercolors to make the background. Upon drying, make tree, hut, sun, etc. with different colors. Give finishing strokes and see your wash painting is ready for display.